chocolate chip challah. There's two ways of making chocolate chip challah. One, you put the chips in the dough. While you're making the dough, you put your chocolate chips, mix it together with your dough. Another way to do it is to make your challah dough, and when you spread out your challah dough like this. To spread your dough onto your surface and place your chocolate chip in the dough, and you put some cocoa. This is nearly as close as a chocolate bubble. Just about a teaspoon, and put it on top of your chocolate chips. This is a piece of challah dough that I took from the main recipe dough. So this is the recipe with the 4 cups of flour and 1 cup of warm water. And then what you want to do, you want to roll it in like this. So this is the roll that you're going to use. You're going to cut this into 4 pieces. And we're going to form a challah with this. This is like a baby challah. So here's your baby small challah, and the chocolate chips are inside the rolls. So this is my main challah dough. Cut this into half. Starting from the middle, we're going to push to the sides. We have a 4-piece here, and now to braid the challah. Try to do it slowly for you. This one here, then put this one back. This goes in the middle, one on the right back. So here's a chocolate chip challah, and before we bake it, we can add some more. Thank you for joining me.